show you how to hang a Sauna Fix for the laying down position. You're going to need the rope ratchet and a Sauna Fix. Now you're going to need both rope ratchets on this one. So I hook rope ratchet on that loop, and I hook a rope ratchet on this loop. Then move that bar. So that's on there. We'll adjust that in a minute. It's just getting the initial deal. Now with these rope ratchets, it's kind of slick because you can just adjust them. You know, some people, that is going to be hot enough. However, other people are going to want those lights closer. Like with me, I like them a little closer. So you just lift, you know, this and just let out the ratchet. I don't recommend leaving the electrical cord down like that. This is what I do not want you to do. I want you to take this electrical cord, because it's 12 foot long, it's plenty long, and go up over the bar. You've got your on-off switch here. So I showed you how to hang the sauna in the laying down position. So in the upright position, you've got a bar you put up there that just kind of rests there, and you can use the rope ratchet again. So hook the end of the rope ratchet that doesn't have this plastic part there, because that's nearest the bulb. Same thing again. You're going to go over once, twice. So if you want to stand up and take a sauna, this is how you can do it. So the Sauna Fix comes with rope ratchets. If you buy the bundles, you also get chains to hang things with. And so it's just a matter of personal preference, you know, what you like to do and how you're going to hang the sauna. This one was just hung over a door, so it was focused on someone riding a bicycle. So this chain is obviously way too long. And these just have the link adjusters, which are pretty easy to undo and configure it however works best for you. There's people that have back injuries that can't sit down and take a sauna. If you're one of those people, you hang it higher so this shines on the trunk of your body. Because systemically, your circulation is going to increase when the trunk of your body is heated up. And some people like to do fascia blasting, and so they can take their fascia blaster and they can move around. So maybe standing up is a position that you like. If that's the case, this is how you could hang it. You know, with this bar, see, you can, you know, move it around. When people are doing hot yoga, this configuration usually gets in the way. So I just wanted to show you how to hang a Sauna Fix in the sauna compartment if you choose to use the partition. Now if you're going to do exercise, you're going to want the room. And so the best way to hang the lamp for that position is not from this top. You can see from the back of the Sauna Fix we have all kinds of loops, and those give great attachment points to where literally you could use this Sauna Fix anywhere. And so what I'm going to do, I'm thinking of my electrical cord and heat. You know, I don't want to run that cord over my heat, so I'm going to choose this loop here. So I'm going to hang it like this, because then it's out of the way and you can do some more movement and stretches and all that kind of stuff. So I am going to basically get rid of everything but a loop in the hook. So if you just buy the tent and the sauna a la carte and you don't get the bundle, or if you don't buy the additional accessories, I do recommend the chains, even though people originally complained that they were loud and clanky. I just find it just easier to use. And so that's the correct position. I like using the chain and the loop instead of the ratchets because the Sauna Fix is closer and heat rises. I just like that better. If you order the bundle or the accessory kit, you can get these with chain and loop adjusters and hooks. You'll need 2 sets because one chain set has 1 hook. And of course it has chains, so you can lower the lights so it's not so far away from your body. And I always tell people to take this cord and drape it over the frame so you keep the cord away from the lights because those get hot. And then that way you can still turn it on and off, and then your cord's long enough to get to an outlet. But like when you're in there and you're laying down, you might want to focus, maybe you've got upper back pain, you know, you'll be focusing that maybe on one end. Maybe you've got problems with your knees or your feet. You know, you don't have to necessarily rotate over. You could, you know, move it. Even when the tent is zipped up, you can slide these poles, and these hooks hold that sauna pretty well.